Hi guys, today we're doing another dirt bike question. Today we're doing a quad bike. So let's get cleaning. The first thing we need to do is rinse. Rinsing like a professional.
Excellent.
Using water, as it said. So now we need to clean up those wheels. Washing like a professional. Yeah.
Good job.
Nice and good job. Is that it? Guess I didn't do very good for that one.
Great job.
So now we can go over with our rinsey bitchy jinx. I don't know what it is. I still need comments. And time to rinse again. Rinsing all the soap thingamajigs off. Soaping.
Magnificent.
Oh yeah, I am soaping. Oh yeah. Now, I'm not soaping anymore, I'm drying.
Nice.
Okay, now to polish.
Splendid.
And unpolish. So it looks red, but
Super.
it's gonna be brown. Just like Swing House. So now we can go over with some wheels. So now we have done this really awesome car, and so that is the end of this video. I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, bye guys. So